Hello, I'm Scott Barrow, a Senior Automation Support Scientist at Roche. Thank you for joining me for this demo of the AVENIO Edge system, a fully automated instrument for NGS library preparation, PCR, target enrichment, library pooling, and quantification. AVENIO Edge is powered by the trusted Roche Kappa reagents for NGS workflows. Because it's so easy to set up, which I'll show you in a moment, it's a great fit for any level of user. AVENIO Edge is designed to help solve challenges of laborious, finicky library prep protocols by reducing the need for highly trained automation experts and complex software, as well as lowering barriers to sequencing and enabling more labs to have direct access to genomic data. Let's take a look.
To start a run, first place the samples onto the highlighted location. 3 input types are supported by the AVENIO Edge system: MagnaPure 24 8-tube strips, high profile and low profile, MagnaPure 96 output plates, and AVENIO Edge process plates. The on-deck barcode reader scans the sample input barcode. If the instrument is connected to a host, the order information is directly retrieved and displayed. Otherwise, the instrument touchscreen allows the user to select Run Protocol and define sample information required to proceed to the next step. Next, the system software instructs the user how to load the required reagents and consumables based on the protocol to be performed and the number of samples processed. The system accepts prepackaged reagents in the form of reagent mini racks, foil-sealed troughs, and cooled tube racks. Tips come in sizes of 50, 200, and 1,000 microliters.
Pre-filled and barcoded reagent cartridges and reservoirs are designed to minimize manual touchpoints, which eliminates the need for users to prepare master mixes and reduce user setup time and errors. To further minimize run setup time, the -20 reagents were designed to thaw overnight at 4 degrees. All Edge tips are liquid level sensing, filtered, DNase/RNase free, and barcoded, which has the added benefit of allowing for random placement on the deck, as well as tip tracking and reuse of partially used tip racks. The tip park consumable allows for reuse of tips when appropriate. Its design helps reduce the overall consumable usage.
After loading is complete, the user closes the instrument door and clicks Load Check. The fully automated inventory check ensures correct loading of the resources before the run can be initiated. For temperature-sensitive reagents, such as enzymes, master mixes, and panels, the instrument first transfers those reagents to a cooling station located next to the reagent reservoirs. If an error is detected, the software on the touchscreen displays the exact position where a correction is needed. Once the user makes the correction, a rescan is performed to double-check that everything needed is in place for the run. Once the touchscreen signals everything is okay, a run can be initiated.
Once the user-defined run requirements are entered, all necessary reagents and labware are calculated by the instrument. As each reagent and consumable is barcoded, all user-placed materials are verified with the integrated barcode reader prior to the start of the run. But our verification goes a step further by using the system's pressure-sensitive pipettes to ensure that all tube caps are removed and pressure-sensitive grippers to check for improper placement of labware on the deck. All these features are designed to minimize human error.
The system is equipped with an 8-channel pipetting arm. In addition, the system has a quantification module on board. Samples pipetted into the quantification plate are brought below the deck for quantification. The gripper finger exchange station switches between short and long gripper arms to rotate and transfer items below the deck. The AVENIO Edge system has a proprietary bead processing station. A magnet moves up and down along the plate wells to capture beads at precise locations in order to maximize DNA capture. Supernatant containing contaminants is removed and ethanol washes are performed. Finally, beads are collected to the side of the well by the magnet while eluted DNA is transferred into a new plate. When the run is almost complete, the sample plate is moved to a position for safe storage, and the touchscreen prompts the user to initiate the final step. By default, the method's final output will be covered in a temperature-controlled location for up to 72 hours until the user is ready to retrieve the samples. Once the run is complete, the touchscreen prompts the user to collect the processed samples, unload and discard reagents, consumables, and waste. After finishing the run, the touchscreen displays a report including pass-fail info and concentrations for each sample, which can be exported to a downloadable format or to the host.
As a user of the AVENIO Edge system myself, I've personally set up a 24-sample run from library construction through target enrichment in less than 20 minutes, and returned to collect my 24 purified, target-enriched libraries with no other intervention required. The system works when you're not working. AVENIO Edge is designed to give you ease of mind. The on-deck thermocycler quantification module enable a true walkaway experience. There's only one power button on the entire system, including all the integrated devices. The touchscreen is bug compatible. There's plenty of storage underneath. Everything you need in one place. NGS automation should not be intimidating. AVENIO Edge brings simplicity to NGS automation. When you're able to truly walk away from the laborious partition steps of NGS library prep, target enrichment workflows, you'll be able to work on more important tasks, such as designing experiments, analyzing data, and making critical decisions for patients. I hope you're now as excited as I am. We really appreciate your time watching this demonstration. Please reach out to a Roche sequencing representative if you have any more questions about the AVENIO Edge system.